Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. Are you wearing the way you feel in your body and trying to sing that same way? So you're slumped over, the shoulders are down. A lot of times you don't realize that that's how you're walking around, that's how you're standing. You need to bring the shoulders up, look confident, or not. So if I'm singing to you like this, that's what friends are for. Keep smiling, and I'm down like this, and I look terrible. Okay, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. Now I'm up. I'm able to support the tones because your rib cage goes all the way down to here, and if you are not keeping it up, you can't really take a good breath. You're down like this. You try and breathe, it's going to get stopped. Oh, hello, how you doing? So what I want you to do is keep remembering that if you're especially going for a hard note, a high section, you want to keep the body up, not only because it's going to make you look confident and you look good, but also the fact that the rib cage needs to be up so you can expand in the rib section. Okay, you want to be able to come out. You want to be able to take a nice deep breath. When you're down like this, there's a cutoff. You can't take a lot of breath. You can take some, but a lot of times I see people go like this, so they have to lift up, and what comes up comes down. Okay, so now you're going to crunch, and you're going to cause hardness right here, and instead what you want is it to be in tonus, but able to come out. Yeah, yeah, I will not grow weary, Lord. Now you're coming out, you're able to do a nice strong section. So how you stand and how you portray yourself can either give confidence or the lack of. I see a lot of people sitting down like this. Musicians that are sitting at their piano and playing like this, don't do that. Okay, you're gonna have a bad back problem, okay? All right, sax player, guitar players, hugging your instrument. Okay, you've got to stay up and then push in to the guitar when you're going for a high note. But don't go like this. Now you can't support. You're going to strain, all right? You wear, a lot of times, we're going through life and things get to us. And we start to slump. We just don't realize it, that we're wearing our feelings. We're wearing that tiredness that we have. Oh, I'm so tired. And you're down like this. Okay, not to mention the health issue that your back is going to have a problem, but lack of confidence. You don't want this lack of confidence. You want to be a force to be reckoned with. You want to stand up and look good and punch those notes out. So don't wear your feelings with your body, okay? I also mentioned, I'm going to reiterate here, a lot of times we have stress. We have a conversation that's we have to get our point across. So a lot of times we'll bear down on the voice and we'll start talking like that. We'll start talking a little bit tighter and tighter. And you tense the muscles. Your vocal folds are here, behind the thyroid cartilage, okay? Which is here. And you're tensing that area in order to get your point across. Or you're shouting at a game. It's after a performance and you're trying to talk over a crowd or the music. Don't be doing that. Save your voice for your singing. Save your voice for your speeches, your talking, your preaching. Whatever it is, save your voice for that special thing that you do. The voice can be too low or too high here if I'm going to talk like this, okay? After you're sick, the tendency, oh my gosh, the tiredness. Oh, I didn't get any sleep last night, you know. Or you're bored, and so, yeah, I hear what you say, yeah. And the voice goes down. So after you're sick, the voice goes down. The voice gets, it takes on all your feelings. So that's why you don't want to stress it out unduly. You want to be aware of the fact that, okay, I'm tired. I got to watch my speaking voice. And a lot of people don't think about that. They take it for granted that that's another voice, or that's how I speak. And then when you go to sing, I'm tired. I wonder why I'm tired. Well, maybe you didn't warm up, okay? But the other thing is, how much are you using your speaking voice and tiring your voice out so that when you go to sing, it doesn't feel good. I just got finished having the sinus infection, and at the end it was coughing and hacking. So that was stressful. And I noticed when I was speaking to people, I'm pushing. I had to start breathing more, be a lot aware about how and where I'm speaking, not push the voice too much. Okay, they're muscles, you're dealing with them. So I had to pull back, get a little bit calmer about life, you know. Same as you. I got to watch the same thing. So don't carry your feelings with your voice or with your body, okay? This is not cool. This is cool. This looks good. Right? Not this. Hello. Also, jetting the jaw out a lot of times, or with an S, let S, because my teeth aren't even, it's hard to get the S out right. So a lot of times in the videos, I'll hear myself go S, and I'm going, oh my gosh, I shouldn't be doing that. And it's because my teeth aren't even. I have to really, really be careful. But also, I could start jetting the jaw out. Now, especially if you're going for high notes. I know it's off topic, but you want something, don't you? So here you go. Don't jet the jaw out when you're going for those high notes. Yeah! You keep the jaw back. Don't let it go forward, okay? All right, that was just an extra little tidbit. What can I say? So, don't forget, you need to subscribe. You need to tell me what you want me to talk about, because I'll jab my jaws about it. Promise I will. And I know Spartacus isn't here. Shh, don't say a word, okay? Actually, Spartacus started meowing. I started the video and he started meowing, and I said, okay, can't have Mr. Spartacus in the video. But again, he told me, you need to subscribe. I know. He's always saying that to you. Hey guys, have a great day, okay? Sing your butts off. Love you. Bye-bye.